ready? This is it. This video is a mile marker. Welcome to the season finale of season 1 of me converting a retired U-Haul into an RV camper. Oh, there's been a lot of miscalculations along the way, but the main one is I chose to do it in the summer. Well, my annual September trip is approaching, and this video, this season finale of season 1, it's going to end with something that feels aesthetically complete. Over here, I'm also interested in tidying this up. This is how I've been living since June. It's pretty chaotic because it doesn't make sense to continually clean up when I don't have a designated time that I work on this. Since the middle of June, whenever I had 15 minutes and $15, I've thrown it into this. Oh, hello. Chippy.
I don't have any peanuts, baby. I don't have anything, baby.
In the last video, I had a little water leak. I am currently still replacing the shiplap. Let's address what more than one viewer right now is saying. Painting it black was a mistake. Yeah. I could see, even I could see where I could doubt that. That brownish wood coming through the black stain is so pretty. That would not have happened on white. There's a complexity of wood grain colors that match this. And also, it's for the high contrast floor. So white wasn't gonna. White might have done it, but the wood, no. But yeah, that looks so good. Still here. Hey, tomorrow I'll go to the store. I'll get you something. Beep beep, beep beep. It's always good to start it up. I'm moving the truck to what feels like a flat surface because I'm gonna hang the upper cabinets in the back. And right now, but the fact is, no matter, even if I'm on an angle, I should just push them all the way up to the ceiling and make it level to the eye, because no matter where this is parked, it's always gonna be crooked. Yeah, nothing back there. Don't set an egg on the counter. Okay, here we go. Does it start? Whew, like a kitten. Here's what has to happen. This board's gonna go up first. That's how I'm gonna rest it on while I attach. Up. Like this. explain what I'm fighting besides my inability to know what I'm doing. That's a big one. But I've already said nothing's level, well, nothing's even. Yeah, the roof always sloped. So this is gonna be a cheat board, and yeah, so this screw comes out, pay no attention to that. That's just I had to glue the top, that will be black, calm down. This gets caulked, calm down. But I'm very tempted to take, oh, you wanna do it? Let's do it. I feel like the next surprise is the upper cabinetry might not fit. Now, you know what? I'm not putting it on the wall. I am walking away. If what I've learned is when it's not fun, stop. This moment, I don't know how to fix this. Let's walk away. You want some philosophy? The power of walking away. In my journey of life, I have come to appreciate the power of walking away. Making mistakes is a natural part of growth, and sometimes those missteps can feel overwhelming. However, I have learned that stepping back from a situation does not signify failure, but it is a profound strength. During these moments of regrouping, I am able to gather my thoughts and reassess the goals. Right? Walking away rekindles the determination. A setback, and there's been a lot of setbacks, is a stepping stone to progress. Walking away allows me to shed the weight of past errors and to take a confident stride to a better future. You got that? That's your philosophy. Let's walk outside. I haven't put anything away since June. So let me explain. I just cleaned up and I accidentally left out a chisel. Did I? Because a chisel is what I needed to hang that cabinet. The power to walk away and to know when to come back. I 1,000% believe and have faith that when this cabinet, upper cabinet, has been hung, it will exhale